What is the W-9 form and why is it important? Okay, guys. So when you are an independent contractor or you're a sole proprietor, and you're a partnership and you're receiving monies from, say, a bank, a lender, some kind of institution, um, usually what they'll do is that they will ask you to complete a W-9 form, and that form is to just keep in there. It's an eternal form. It doesn't go to the IRS. It's an eternal form that is kept between the payer and you. Okay, just so that the payer can have information to send to you and the IRS when it is time to file certain tax forms, like a 1099 form or some type of income form. Okay, and usually on those income forms, the income is recorded that the payer paid you. Okay, so if it's a bank and they're paying you some type of interest, or you do some kind of independent contract work for them, right? They'll use the information on the W-9 to complete whatever information that needs to go on income forms that have to go to the IRS. Now, the IRS also requires these payers to send these forms out to you for you to complete them and for them to keep it on their books. Okay, so again, usually when you get this type of form, you're a sole proprietor, you're an independent contractor, you're basically doing your own business, but you're fulfilling some type of obligation or work for the payer, which may be a bank, which may be some type of institution, and they're compensating you. So to basically keep tax records clean and keep everything orderly, they give you what is called a W-9, a W-9 form, and you got to complete it, and those payers keep it on their books. Okay, so that's the purpose of a W-9, guys. You usually get it from a payer, not necessarily an institution that employs you as a job, but you're an independent contractor and you're doing some work for them on behalf of them, or you got some kind of money where you're getting interest, and you are required to fill that out. Okay, and those institutions have to keep that on their books. Anyway, guys, that's the video for today. If you're an independent contractor, I am giving out a 30-day free advisory service. It is free for the first 30 days. Check it out in the link in the bio and enjoy your first month free if you're an independent contractor. See you guys later.